I think it's so important that yes, you follow your dreams, but B, that you promote those dreams on social media so that your dreams can turn into money. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Yasmine Bedward, the traveling social media manager, and today we're going to be talking about ways that you can use social media to grow your business. Before we get into this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and leave a comment letting me know what you ate for breakfast today. I got that from Shameless Maya. Don't tell her though. That's my sis. I met her twice. Rule number 1, this video is gonna be about ways that you can use Instagram and social media to market your business and grow your business. But Instagram, I want to be clear, is not your business. Sis, it doesn't even belong to you, okay? It belongs to some guy named Mark. And if Mark decides one day, I don't want to do this no more, or I'm going to sell it, and the person I sell it to, they're going to start to flag certain content that you post as inappropriate, and all of it gets deleted. Or the content that you post sparks a lot of controversial conversation, so it's going to all get deleted. Would you do? What would you do? So ways that you can use Instagram to grow your business is to constantly and consistently post about what it is the service is that you are selling, or the product or the business, whatever the thing is. You need to tell people about it or else you're not gonna know. And talk about it so you don't feel like talking about it no more. Let people know what it is that you're selling and doing. How we gonna know how to support if we don't know what it is? Post it, share it, stop it. No, seriously. Share it, what it is that you're selling. I say consistently for 3 months and you'll see growth. Another tip that you want to make sure that you're doing is branding all of your content. A lot of people like to put their logo smack dab in the middle. If you're on YouTube, you know you can put your logo in like one of the smaller icons, and a lot of these apps are making it super easy for you to, continue your branding throughout. So you really want to make sure that you have, again, a mood board or some branding that you stick with and like consistently use on your feed and throughout your feed and on your stories and throughout like your bio and stuff. That way people know, like whenever they see those colors or like content, like oop, I know who that is. Follow, that's my homegirl, whatever, stuff like that. You can have a little bit more creativity and like spend a little bit more time in the creative process deciding what it is that you want your brand and your business to look like. And typically what I like to do is make my Instagram content look similar to the content that's going to be on my website. Again, marketing, branding, you want to be in people's brains and minds. Every day for about 7 days, you want to make sure that you're promoting the thing that's coming out at the end of the week. So if you know you have a video coming out, that means Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you want to be talking about that new video. Which reminds me, there's a new video every Sunday. Make sure you subscribe. If I haven't said that already, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. And the ways that I've been helping grow like my brand and my business, like creating shareable content. Like people aren't really gonna share a picture of my face as much as they would share a picture of information. So I used to take a really cute photo, and then in the caption I would write all of the tips that I wanted to share, and it was like, I love it. And then did nobody, share that, even though they wanted to share the information, but they did not want to share a post of me giving you fashion looks, Then I started to put the content that I was sharing in those captions and those thoughts and those ideas into a separate post as a picture, like creating a graphic with text. And that's took off. Once I realized that people valued my work more than my looks, or like more than my style or my fashion choices, then I started to create content around that. Now, I'm not gonna make my Instagram page just be all words. I'm not about that ministry, but I do try to mix it up and, you know, make things cute, fun, and creative, and light, and cute, and fun, and creative, and still try to, you know, put that information in there. So I do like a mix, but, you know, you gotta give the girls what they want, okay? And if they want fever, you have to bring the heat, period. Another way that Instagram has helped grow my business is by listening to my audience. I know that a lot of my following is on Instagram, and so I ask majority of my questions there. I do polls all the time. I do Q&As. I ask a question at the end of most of my captions so that people can answer below in the comments to let me know what type of content they want. I ask some more. Again, it takes 7 times for something to click. And so I keep asking, and then that is how I decide to create, you know, what content to create. And because people see the content that they voted for, they're more likely to be excited about it and click on it and watch it and engage with it. So I always try to keep my audience in mind when creating content, because 1, they help me come up with the decision about what to post, but 2, they're the ones that's going to be watching it and engaging it. So I had to shift the way I was creating and stop creating for me as much and start to create for my audience. Of course, I want to keep creating art and looks and moments, and I want tulle over my face and one eye covered with a flower, and I just want to like stand like this. You know, I want to still create those moments, but I also want to give my audience something. I want to feed my audience something yummy and scrumptious and good, and something that they're looking forward to eating, you know? Of course, it's going to take more than promotion. You're going to have to really work hard at the work that you do, and really work hard at, you know, delivering content that inspires both you and your audience. And it's going to take practice and time for you to get into a rhythm. But once you find it, I'm telling you, you're gonna love the work that you do. The audience is gonna like the work that you do. And give it 3 months of consistency. I said 3 months of consistency, and you're definitely gonna see results. And just because they're your follower does not mean they're gonna be your consumer. Just because you got 150,000 followers does not mean you're gonna get $150,000 in services or sales. You might, and then also you might just get 2 people. You might get 2% of your audience. Typically it's 10. You want to aim for 10, but you know what I'm saying? There's gonna be some extra tips and steps that you're gonna have to take to start to turn your followers into your consumers. They have to know who you are. They have to like you. They have to trust you. They have to believe in your product, and you have to give them a free something to nibble on. You have to give them a free sample. Then you got an appetizer, okay? Then you give them entree. Then you sweetening them up with a dessert and a deal and stuff. Again, it's hard work. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you tune in next week when I'll be talking more about social media, management, marketing, brand development, all that. If you are new and you haven't yet, please click here to subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos, tap here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next Sunday.